The Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum is one of the most talked about Korean skincare serums right now, thanks to its Salmon DNA PDRN formula that's designed to hydrate, strengthen the skin barrier, and leave your skin looking brighter and firmer. But what exactly is Salmon DNA PDRN? And is this serum worth adding to your skincare routine? In this video, we're going to break down what this serum does, how to use it properly, and the key do's and don'ts so you can get the best results from your routine. The Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum is designed to deeply hydrate the skin while helping improve the appearance of your skin tone, elasticity, and overall radiance. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly into the skin, making it easy to layer into both your morning and evening skincare routines. The formula combines Salmon DNA PDRN, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B12 to support your skin's moisture barrier while leaving the complexion looking smoother, plumper, and healthier over time. The key ingredients include Salmon DNA PDRN, which is a bioactive ingredient derived from salmon DNA that's known for its high compatibility with human skin. It helps support the skin's natural moisture barrier, improve the skin elasticity, and promote smoother, firmer, healthier looking skin. This product also includes peptides, which will help improve the appearance of skin firmness and elasticity while supporting your smoother, youthful looking complexion. Hyaluronic acid, which will help attract and retain water within the skin for long-lasting hydration. And vitamin B12, which is naturally going to give the serum its pink color while helping support healthy looking skin. The formula contains no artificial colorants, so it won't stain your skin. One of the reasons this serum has become so popular is because it focuses both on hydration and the skin barrier, while helping improve the overall appearance of skin quality with consistent use. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it's especially beneficial if your skin looks dull, dehydrated, tired, or it's beginning to lose its firmness. Now, using this serum is simple. We want to start with clean skin after cleansing. We want to go in with either a toner or essence if you're using one. And then you want to apply 2 to 3 drops of the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum to your face, neck, and décolletage area. Gently spread and pat the serum into your skin until it's fully absorbed, and then you want to apply your favorite moisturizer. In the morning, always apply sunscreen. This serum is gentle enough to use every day, both morning and night, and can generally be laid with most skincare ingredients. If you're new to active ingredients, it's always best to introduce them gradually. Here are some do's and don'ts when using this serum in your skincare routine. First, you want to ensure you use it morning and night for the best results. We want to apply it before your moisturizer, and we want to ensure we do wear SPF every morning. We want to keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. When it comes to the don'ts, we need to be realistic and don't expect overnight changes. Firmer, brighter looking skin develops with consistent use. We don't want to skip moisturizer, always finishing our skincare routine with moisturizer to lock everything in and to prevent transepidermal water loss. And we also don't worry about the pink color staining your skin. It's naturally colored with vitamin B12. The Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum is a great option if you're looking for a lightweight serum that focuses on hydration, skin barrier support, and improving your skin's overall radiance and firmness. If your skin has been looking dull, dehydrated, or you're looking to achieve a smoother, healthier looking complexion, this serum could be a great addition to your skincare routine. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum and whether you noticed a difference with your skin. And if you want to learn more about Korean skincare, then check out these videos here next.